18-wheeler accidents with motorcycles.
Hi, everybody, and thanks for joining me for another one of our frequently asked questions. I'm Bill Adler, and today we'll discuss one of the most catastrophic accidents that can happen, and that's when an 18-wheeler strikes a motorcycle.
An 18-wheeler can weigh up to 80,000 pounds and is typically made of a steel frame. A motorcycle weighs an average of 400 pounds. When these two vehicles collide, the results are often catastrophic for the smaller vehicle involved in the accident. Motorcycles don't have any protection from trucks or other large vehicles when they get hit. Because of that, motorcycle riders are at high risk for injury when they're riding near trucks. When an 18-wheeler collides with a motorcycle, the rider is usually thrown from the bike and can be dragged along the pavement. The injuries sustained by riders in these accidents are often serious or even fatal. Another concern for the biker is that they will be thrown under the 18-wheeler and crushed. The most common type of motorcycle accident is when a vehicle, like an 18-wheeler, makes a left-hand turn in front of a motorcycle because they failed to see it. Motorcycles must drive defensively to anticipate and compensate for this situation, because it can turn into a catastrophic accident. If you are in a motorcycle accident with an 18-wheeler, it is imperative that you call an experienced personal injury lawyer as soon as possible. You can be sure that the truck driver's insurance company will have investigators at the scene in the first 24 hours. You need someone on your side.
At Jim Adler and Associates, we have a team of powerful and experienced motorcycle accident lawyers that will fight for you and make sure you get all the compensation and benefits you deserve. If you have questions about this information or you'd like to discuss your case, you or your family can give us a call at 800-567-7575 or contact us through our website, jimadler.com.